What is going on, guys? So today we are here at Imperial yet again, and we are doing the side skirt install. So originally what we were gonna do is I had a good amount of aluminite left over from whenever I made the front splitter. I was gonna use that leftovers to make the side skirts, but Butch came in clutch. He was able to hook me up with some extra side skirts that he had laying around the shop. He had them for a customer, and they just never came through on them, so he had them laying around. They were originally for a GTR. He cut them up for me, and now they kind of fit the car. Let me kind of show you what they look like. This guy up on the lift, and man, God, I love this car. Love it so much. Man, would you look at that? It looks like we might be in need of replacing some tires soon. Yikes. Here's what we are working with. Again, like I said, these are originally for a GTR, and they've got these fins integrated on them, and they're, God, that is so dope. It's already cut them up for me, but they should just kind of fit right up to the S2000. And we should be good to go. We have these extra little pieces over because I think this was just another piece that he had laying around. We're thinking about using these for those little side markers that we made for the splitter. We might want to use these instead. We're not sure yet, though. I don't know. These guys are going to be going right up to the side of the car. I believe what we have to do first. Look under here. We have some of these rubber points that we have to take out. I'm not sure yet. Butch had mentioned something about taking out. But what I know is we're going to be doing every 6 inches, we're going to be putting a screw in. For the screws, we're going to be using these number 8x1s. Yeah, like I said, we're going to be tacking them in every 6 inches, and that should get us rocking and rolling. I also had some people ask me, kind of spooked, like, that front splitter, you must scrape all the time, and it must be a real hassle, but look at this. If you look under here, there is not one scratch on this thing. I haven't scraped yet at all. The things these are old screw mounts that aren't even with the front bumper, so they aren't usable. Nothing under here from any scrapes or anything like that. Fairly simple. I got these little plugs out. There was one here, one right there, one right there. There's 3 on each side. These have these nice little carbon fiber finish on them, but they're like this, they're like a plastic, and I kind of really like these because you can kind of like be a little rough with these and it, be all right. But they look really good, and they're very sturdy, and yeah, I think they're gonna look really dope on the car. Did you just make a bracket to hold your?
Yeah. What's up?
That's pretty quality. So we just made these last week. Put the video link in the corner, but Butch was saying that we should maybe replace them with this. I don't know, I'm kind of considering it. It looks, I like the way it looks right now, but I don't know, to go with the side skirts. Let me know in your comments below. What do you think? Boom, there are the side skirts done. They look so good. Really, well, love these things. And, I don't really like how this is here, just because I kind of feel like it takes away from this. But I don't know, maybe I'll take it off again. The reason, I took it off the first time, but there's this big hole here, and it just doesn't look good. I with the same material right here as well, and I really like how that came out too. Overall, absolutely love it, making more progress on the build. Pretty much it today. I know it was kind of a short video, but it was kind of simple. We just kind of drilled in the side skirts and added new little side markers. Big shout out to Butch for helping me with the install, or basically almost doing the whole thing, and even hooking me up with the side skirts. Let me know what y'all think of these down in the comments below, and until then, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.